Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Huawei Y6 in a version of 2019. So first of all, there are three ways and let's start with the first one. So we need the power button and the volume down button for. If you press these both buttons, at the same time you will have a screenshot. One more time, the power button and the volume down button, press it at the same time and you will have a screenshot. If you want to share it after directly, so go into preview, swipe it up, and you have directly the opportunity to share it on WhatsApp by Bluetooth and so on and so on. And yeah, so there's another way how to take a screenshot. Let me show you the shortcuts. Scroll down a second time, and we'll see the point screenshot, tap it, and we will take a screenshot as well. And let me show you another thing, to preview. If you tap on the preview directly, you have also the opportunity to share it, but you have also the opportunity to edit it. And if you want to edit that picture, first of all, you can crop it like this. If you would just want to have one point, maybe the navigation bar here, the Google bar here. And also if you want to paint inside, you could just choose your color here and paint something and so on and so on. If you're ready, just confirm, and it's part now of our gallery. And yeah, let me show you now the last point with the screenshots. The third one, if you use three fingers, swipe it down, you have a screenshot as well. So with the last point, with the three fingers, you have to enable it first. So let me show you how you can do that. We have to go to the settings first. Then we need to go to the point Smart Assistance. Then we need to point Motion Control. And then we need to point three fingers screenshot. And it has to be enabled. Where to find the screenshots after? Of course, at the gallery. So here we have all our screenshots and also the one I have cropped. And yeah, at the category albums, it has its own category named screenshots. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again. And maybe until next time. Ciao.